benefits of an internship?
There are actually a lot of benefits, but I would like to highlight though that this is a great starting point of your IT career, even if you didn't have any experience prior. Endava will offer you everything that you need, from trainings to mentorships with great people with a lot of experience.
How do I know if I am eligible?
To be eligible, you should get familiarized with such basic development-related topics as SQL, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, some testing concepts, but also your English communication skills should be on a very good level because we are interacting with customers every day.
What is this experience about?
You'll have a chance to brush up your soft and technical skills, but most importantly, you'll learn how to work in a team, but remain independent at the same time. You'll find out about the common flows of service delivery and how to work with the tools that we use day to day.